Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, not the back of the car, the... Yes. Number two, Bob. Every day when he plays soccer. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The front of the house is white. The front of the house is white. Front. The front of the house is white, not the back. I am touching the front of the clock. Now we can make a flashcard for front. We always say the front of something, and very often the front of the something. Please make a card like this. Write front up here, F-R-O-N-T. We usually say the front of something, the front of the car, for example. Down here, N1, this means noun, level 1. Number 64 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Up. Cup. Same sound. Front. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer kicks the ball every day. Jennifer kicks the ball every day. Jennifer kicks the ball. She kicks the ball with her foot when she plays soccer on the grass with her family. Now we can make a flashcard for to kick the ball. Please make a card like this. The basic form is to kick something, K-I-C-K. Down here, V1. This means verb, level 1. And over here, the number 31 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Big. Kick. Game over. You did really well today. I am touching the front of the clock. And Bob? Correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, a car accident. Crash. Yes, we also say that. Number 2, Bob is not my biological brother. He is my half. That's right. Number 3, to entertain somebody by singing or telling jokes. Today is Monday, September 1st. Show number 201. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for learning English here.